Need to connect a printer in just a few minutes? Don't worry, I've got you. This is Sass, and today I'll show you how to download, install, and share a printer quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open Command Prompt, type ipconfig, and press Enter. Take note of your computer's IPv4 address because we'll use it later. Next, open System Information and check your PC model and system type. This helps you download the correct printer driver. Open your browser, search for Canon G3020, then open the first official Canon website. Scroll down, confirm your operating system, then download the driver that matches your computer. Then wait for it to download. Once the download is complete, open the containing folder, launch the installer, and click Yes when prompted. Click Start Setup, then click Next. Wait for the files to load. Click Yes. Accept the license agreement and continue. Choose USB connection, click Next, then connect the USB cable to the back of your computer and continue. Click Next. Now let's print the test page to make sure the printer is working properly. After the test print, click Next, skip the Continue Online option, then exit the setup. Next, open Printers and Scanners. Select the Canon G3020 series. Click Manage. Open Printer Properties. Go to the Sharing tab. Check Share this printer. Then click Apply and OK. On the second computer, open the RAN dialog and enter the IP address of the computer connected to the printer. Right-click the shared printer, then select Connect. Open the printer properties and print another test page to verify the connection. Finally, create a rich text document, type anything you like, press Ctrl+P, and print the document to confirm everything is working perfectly. Ta-da! And that's it! You've successfully downloaded, installed, and shared your Canon G3020 printer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you. This is Sass, making technology simple, one tutorial at a time. See you in the next tutorial!